Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get a high score in Block Blast. So let's jump right into it. So Block Blast is a fun puzzle game that's been trending a lot lately. So first open the game and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And once you're in, start a classic game. Now just play like you normally do. So you'll get a different block shapes and your goal is to fill up rows or columns. So either across or up and down. When you do that, you score points. But here's the trick. Always try to make combos. So the more combos you get, the more points you'll earn. And you'll earn them faster. So keep looking for ways to clear multiple lines in a row. So that's how you really boost your score. So if you miss a combo, no worries. Just keep playing and try again. So the key here is to stay focused and always think a few moves ahead. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.